Good morning, children. We were learning about the problems, children. We are solving the problems of the convex lens. Therefore, today we will solve few more problems related to the convex lens. Okay, children. Here, here is a question, children. Describe the nature of image. Describe the nature of image. Describe the nature of image. Image formed when an object is placed at a distance of when an object is placed at a distance of 30 centimeter from a convex lens. 30 centimeter from a convex lens of focal length 15 centimeter. Of focal length 15 centimeter. Okay, children. Here he is asking the nature of the image formed. He is asking the nature of the image formed when an object is placed at a distance of 30 centimeter from a convex lens of focal length 50 centimeter. Okay, children. Here he is asking to describe the nature of the image form. That means what is the nature? Nature of the image means characteristics of the image, children. Characteristics of the image means here how the image is formed, whether it is real or virtual or erected or inverted or diminished or enlarged, like that he is asking. Describe the nature of the image formed when an object is placed at a distance of 30 centimeter from a convex lens. Here first, when the problem is given, you should write the whatever that is given. Okay. Here object distance is given to you. How much? 30 centimeter. And here it is a convex lens. What lens it is? Convex lens. Here what is the focal length, children? Focal length is 15 centimeter. 15 centimeter. Okay, children. Therefore here 15 centimeter. We should apply the sign conventions. Whenever after writing the terms which are given, we should apply the sign conventions. Convex lens means only U is negative, whereas remaining all are positive. Okay, children. Therefore, use which formula we should use, children? Lens formula. That is 1 by F is equals to 1 by V minus 1 by U. 1 by V minus 1 by U. Here 1 by 15 is equals to 1 by V, we don't know, minus of 1 by minus 30. Therefore, you can write this as minus 1 by 30. That is 1 by V plus 1 by 30. Minus of minus is plus. Here we want the V. Here we want, I am writing like this. There I am transposing this that side. 1 by 15 minus 1 by 30. Here what is the LCM, children? 30 is the LCM. 15 2s are 2. 2 into 1 is 2 minus 31s are 30 into 1. Sorry, 31s are 30. So 1 into 1. Here 2 1s are 2. 2 minus 1 by 30 is equals to 1 by 2. That is equals to 1 by 30 is equals to 1 by 2. Here V is equal to how much, children? 30 centimeter. How much we got? V is equals to 30 centimeter. Okay. Here we got V is equals to 30 centimeter. Okay, children? 30 centimeter. Therefore, here you can draw the figure, children. You can draw a figure related to this one. Okay, right. Is a convex lens Here convex lens is f1 here, c1 here, f2, c2. What is the focal length, children? Focal length is given as 15. Here to here it is 15 centimeters. Therefore here how much it is? 15 centimeters. Here to here 15 means here to here also 15. 15 plus 15 is 30. Total 30. Okay, children. Here where the object is at 30 centimeter. Object here it is 30 centimeter. Image how much we got? Image also 30 centimeter. Okay, children. Therefore here normally the image will be formed like this. Here we will be getting of the same image. Here and the object is at C, image is also at C. Therefore characteristics of the image formed, children. Image is formed at C. Image is at C. Real, inverted, same size. The size of the image is equal to the size of the object. Just by drawing the figure and by indicating these values, we can able to say. Here U is 30, children, V is also same 30. Therefore, object size is equal to the image size. When object size is equal to the image size, what we say? The object is on the center of the curvature. Okay, and the object is on the center of curvature, we get. Okay, and the object is in the center of curvature, we get. Okay, same size of the image. The size of the image is equal to the size of the object. Okay, same size. The image is at center of curvature C. It forms a real image, inverted image, and the size of the image is equal to the size of the object. Okay, this is the problem. Therefore, as I am explaining the different modes of problem, this is a simple problem. Okay, as I explained the four problems explained, one more problem I will explain so that we will get the 5 problems. Therefore, compulsory you should practice the problems, children. Already I said, why? Because in the examination they may ask, they may give the problems also, children. Repeatedly they are asking one question, they are asking, and one problem, children. Or they may ask complete problem also for 4 marks. Therefore, compulsory you should practice the problems of these chapters. Okay, either that is mirrors or the lenses, children. Okay, next, one more question, children. At what distance from a converging lens? Here, one more question. At what distance? At what distance from a converging lens? From a converging lens, at what distance from a converging lens? Of focal length 12 centimeter. Of focal length, how much it is? 12 centimeter. Must an object be placed? Must an object be placed in order to get an image of magnification? In order to get an image of magnification, one will be produced. See here, image magnification, that means M is equal to 1. Directly we can say, okay, children, directly we can say the answer. M is equals to 1, children. To get M is equals to 1. M is equal to 1 means what, children? Magnification 1 means the size of the image is equal to the size of the object. Size of image is equal to size of the object. In which case the size of the image is equal to size of the object for a convex lens. Already just now in the last problem we have seen. where the object is placed at center of curvature. The object is placed at center of curvature. Only when the object is placed at center of curvature, then only we get the size of the image is equal to the size of the object. Therefore, that is magnification is equals to 1. When m is less than 1, already I said, when m is less than 1, size of the image is equal to the size of the object. When m is greater than 1, size of the less means image less than object. Greater than means image is greater than the object. Okay, children. Therefore, he is asking to find the m equal to 1. Equal to 1 means the size of the image is equal to the size of the object. Here, what is the question? At what distance from a converging lens? Converging lens is nothing but the convex lens. Of focal length 12 centimeter must be object should be placed. Object where he should place the object he is asking. Object should be placed at a distance of 24 centimeter. Why? Because here drawing the figure. By drawing the figure we can say, or by solving the problem. Here optic center F1, C1, F2, C2. Here what is the focal length, children? 12 centimeter. If it is 12 centimeter, from here to here also will be 12 centimeter. To get the object same size, where the object should be placed to center of curvature. Here we get the center of curvature. Okay, we get the center of curvature like this. We get the center of curvature. Therefore, where the object should be placed to 12 plus 12, 24 centimeter. The object should be placed at a distance of 24 centimeter to get the magnification equal to 1. What is the answer? The object should be placed at a distance of 24 centimeter. Okay, the object should be placed at a distance of 24 centimeter to get the magnification as 1, or to get the size of the image is equal to the size of the object. Or we can do by using the formula. Okay, children. Or we can do by using the formula also. How we can do by using the formula, children? Let us see. Okay, here what is given? Here it is given. It has what is given here, children? Focal length is given. Focal length is equal to 12 centimeter. Okay, we don't know the object, but here magnification is given as 1. M is equal to 1. Here image distance we don't know. Object distance also we don't know. Therefore, here we can write this as V by U is equals to 1. Why? Because magnification means HI by HO. Height of the image is by height of the object. Height of the image by height of the object is equal to V by U. Okay, children. Here height of the object not given. No need. Height of the image not given. Height of the object not given. If of these two, if anyone is given, we can find the remaining. If nothing is given, then exclude. V and U both are given. Here V by U is equals to 1. Okay, children. Okay, V by U is equals to 1. Therefore, V is equal to how much, children? V is equals to U. V is equals to U. Use the formula, length formula. 1 by F is equals to 1 by V minus 1 by U. Okay, children. 1 by V minus 1 by U. Okay. Here, V is equals to U. Now. Okay. Or U is equals to V, we can write. V is equal to U is nothing but 1 by 12. Given no? 12. F given 12. Here U is equals to minus V we write. Why? Why? Because sign conventions of U is minus. U is minus. Therefore U is equals to minus 1 by V, children. 1 by V. Minus of minus 1 by V. Instead of U we write 1 by V. 1 by V plus 1 by V. That is equals to 2 by V. 2 by V is equals to 1 by 12. Cross multiplication. V is equal to how much, children? 12 2s are 24 centimeters. V is equal to 24. As V is equal to U is also 24. U is 24, V is also 24. Like that also we can get the answer, children. Like that we can get the answer. When we can do in two ways, children. Okay, we can get the 24 centimeter. In two ways we can get the answer, children. Okay, I think you have got the idea. Okay children, compulsory you should practice the problem children. Try to practice the problems, okay, as many number of times such that you will get a command on it. Okay, thank you children, have a nice day.